happy.
You gotta tie it. You gotta tie it back.
All right.
We won, but then.
All right. All right. You know what's all right? A square.
Wow, you're so funny.
All right, so this should be in front of you. This worksheet. I decided to pivot, try to be a little nice, keep you from having to write so much stuff down. But we had this yesterday. You're welcome. Let's go ahead and draw the rectangle that we had yesterday. And I drew it, but probably on a different piece of paper. So I mean, I would prefer that you do it right here, so it's on this paper. Hey guys, Emily, do you have out what you need to have out? Guys, you're making me regret putting the paper on the desks, which I did because people asked me to. Like, please don't make me not do that. I think it's a cool idea that we can see if it works, but if you can't handle it, then you can't handle it. Okay. I'm asking you to draw this on this paper so we can use this paper as a reference page. You know, like when we're doing quizzes and tests. Yeah, the hand up from the back. Yeah, so right here, above the 5D table, let's draw that rectangle. And yesterday, I was a little upset by us calling the shorter side the length. So we're going to label that length. And then this one we said was 2 times the length plus 3, right? Because they told us the width is 3 more than twice the length. I can't tell if I forgot a space between that and width. Feels like they're a little close.
Is that an L?
Yeah, that's an L. Cursive. Okay, fine.
No, I like the cursive.
Oh.
That's an L.
Rude.
L ratio.
See how rude these? Oh, by the way, this is Miss Glass. Now when you're being rude to me, at least there's another person that can, sympathize with me.
Or just
I always have a
So, all right. So what we're gonna do now is take this expression from yesterday. Hey guys, if you want to highlight and color code, it would be good for your brain if you went ahead and related this is expression. Just that is expression. But then when we put an equal sign with it, it's gonna become an equation, right? Which yesterday we figured out what's our goal here, what's our target? 36, right? So right here we're gonna turn that expression into an equation by saying, hey, you're gonna equal 36. I don't even need it, but it's much more convenient. And I continue to set it down in different places. All right, so x plus 2x. Ooh. No, that's plus 3. Okay, that's fine. Equals 36. Grace came to me to get some help on homework, and I was telling her, ignore the 5D process, stop doing it. And I think that kind of annoyed you of like, wait, but that's what we've been learning. But guys, this is our transition to the 5D process is now totally your option. You don't need it anymore, really. So this should be written on our paper, right here. Like, this matches your paper. So what's our goal now, Max? What's our goal? Our goal, is isolate the variable, but before we can work on that, we got to put all these things together, right? To be able to isolate a variable, first I got to group them. So go ahead and combine your like terms. If you don't know what combines, check with your neighbor. Combine like terms. Only the like terms. So can we actually add 2x with 3? No, because they are not like. So if you wanted to highlight your like terms, you could. Hey, if I just have x, how many x is that? 1x, right? So I got 1x and another 1x, then a 2x and a 2x. Liam, how many x in total? 6x. And then my constants.
6.
Oh, you got it faster than me. Bro, don't make me nervous. He said 7. It just makes me nervous because, you knowing math is my job. All right, so Guys, I know some of you are smarter than me, and you'll. Why are you laughing at that? It's just a fact. Like, I want you to take a minute with your partner, probably maybe just 1 minute. See if you can figure out what X. Don't write anything. Wait, what? Don't write anything. Don't write anything, but see if you guys can figure out what X should be to make this true. Chat with each other. You guys can probably do that. Shane, turn around. Talk with Taylor. What? We did make it farther than the other class, didn't we? Okay, Shane is flexing that we did this yesterday. Okay, so what was X? X had to be 5. Why? Oh, you kind of figured it out from like you figured it out in the 5D. We figured it out in the 5D by guess, check, adjust, right, William?
6 times 5 is 30, and then we add the 6, so it gets 36.
This needs to be 30 so that when we add 6, it becomes 36. Emily?
I did 36 minus 6, and then I did 30 divided by 6.
And that's because, well, not because, probably just because you're smart. Step 1, get rid of the constant. Guys, I know 5D worked, but I'm here to tell you, it's silly. It's a waste of time. Algebra's better. So we're going to follow what Emily said, and we're going to take 6 away from both sides, because we know that with an equation, to keep it equal, it's got to be fair. If I start handing out candy, and I give 2 pieces to Gage and 1 piece to Max, he's immediately going to be like, what, bro? What? It's not fair.
Yeah, bro.
Well, okay. Arm wrestle for it, maybe, but don't attack him. All right, so if I subtract 6 from 36, what do I get?
30.
Oh, and this is exactly what we just said, that 6x has to be 30. And then, how can we get the coefficient, guys, if you want to highlight to help you with vocab, the coefficient, I'm going to change color. Coefficient is our multiplier, right? It's this. So how could we get rid of a 6 times, or how can we undo timesing by 6? Divide. So, what are we going to divide by? 6. Because what's 6 divided by 6? The giant one. Hey guys, actually Miss Glass, maybe we can talk more like in the future because Fridays are crazy, but Miss Glass actually did CPM. Like she learned with CPM. So I told her I want to pick her brain and like maybe we'll figure out, hopefully she had a good experience. But do you think it was overall positive? Yeah, I dig how CPM teaches stuff. Thank you guys for sharing. I appreciate that. So if I divide by 6 over here, I gotta divide by 6 over here. Oh yeah, Grace. Meet Grace. Grace, meet Grace.
Hi. Who's the view?
Ooh.
Arm wrestle to see
The
who's
one
the
who
better one.
No.
Because I'm graceful.
No.
Arm wrestle.
You set that up for me. You like tossed the softball and I'm standing. Okay, if you missed it, can you ask it again?
Why are there so many graces in your life?
Isa asked why are there so many Graces, and I said because I'm graceful.
Wait, who's the third one?
Not Grace, the Grace who made these numbers.
Oh,
that
yeah,
was,
her handwriting.
yeah, that has better handwriting than some of you guys, my friend.
Oh, my
So wait, what's if it's true and it hurts? That's a you problem. 30 divided by 6. Oh, the same answer we got yesterday. But guys, did we have to guess, check, adjust, or did we just like efficiently solve it? This is efficient. 10 times faster? That's pretty bold. Try this. Okay, you guys are all acting like you're pros at this already. Go ahead. Show off then. Watch out for the negatives.
Oh, we know this. I thought we know
What?
How do you do this guess stuff?
You aren't gonna 5D. Turn it into algebra. Do what we just did on the front. Yeah, don't 5D. That's silly.
Dang, bro, I'm getting good at this. Like, don't watch what you're writing thing.
Yeah, feel free to walk around or whatever, or go like talk with the kids. Guys, we should be writing down some words. Combining like terms.
I'm like 4. Yeah. I'm getting good at it though.
It's fine if you're writing on the paper, but if this is going to be a resource page for you, you might want to write in both places, right?
Yeah, I just need to do like all the weird work first, and then I can write down what I found out of it.
Oh, the weird work.
Yeah, that's what I call it.
X is 17.
That's what I call it, man. Don't know what to tell you.
Okay. It sounds like Xavier has an answer that he would like to announce to the entire class, but before we get to the answer, we gotta do the work. So here's our expression. Emily, what's our target?
Our target is 71.
71, so we need to set up the equation. So guys, if you didn't write the work on your paper, I would highly advise that you wait. Instead of x minus 2, what's better than x minus 2?
X plus negative 2.
Plus the negative.
X2.
And then 2x plus 5. I don't know if I need these parentheses, but they have them.
17.
Equals 71. Mila, what like terms can I combine here?
All the X's.
All the x's. Sweet, so x, 2, so how many x's total? 4, because remember, guys, you can put ones here. You don't need to, but you can. Like, if it's hard for you to remember, 1x plus another 1x plus 2, so we got 4x plus what? Negative 2 and 5 makes 3 equal to
Okay.
71. You see these, right?
Yeah.
I mean, okay, fine, Emily.
Yes. Okay. So 71 minus 3. So
Wait, why minus 3?
Because we're going backwards. So plus 3 would reverse as minus 3.
So you said we're going backwards, and in my brain was just Back to the Future.
Yeah. So
We're going back.
equals 68, and then 68 divided by 4
Oh,
equals 4.
you're going way fast. Hold up. Let's make sure everyone understands. We had 4 x's. We had 4 x's and an extra 3. We need to get rid of the extra 3, so Emily had us subtract. We do it on both sides to preserve equality. Cool? Questions?
Can I say the answer?
He said her. He said her. All right, Emily. Then?
Okay, so since there are 4 x's, you divide 68 by 4 to get 17.
Boom.
Good brain, Emily.
And Xavier, does that match what you were announcing to the entire class?
Yes.
Get your Chromebook out. Get your Chromebook out. If you think you're so good at this, let's try it even harder.
This is one of the things that I'm good at.
We'll probably do this one on Monday to start and make sure we remember what we're doing. You can just work on one Chromebook with your partner. If you want, you can work on just one Chromebook. If you want. You guys can share if you want. You guys can work together on it.
I hate this rotate, okay? I don't know how
You
bright
could
it
work
is.
together if you want. If your Chromebook out would be annoying.
Why is the loading sign so big? It's weird. What the? Yeah,
Sure.
okay.
Yeah, you can both use your Chromebooks. It's so weird.
Well,
What else?
sixth grade, I put it in the chart.
Sometimes math is bad. Bad numbers.
When I got it out, the camera was scratched, and I was like, why? And they were like, oh, it was too involved. It's scratched.
Grace. Well, what?
I didn't write it.
Yeah, I did say it. I said it. Oh, okay. Yeah, but I need to make sure I assign it to you guys. Chromebooks take a long time to load. Do not let the idea that it's a Chromebook make you think they're fast. They are not.
My Chromebook's pretty fast.
Hey, is anyone to Desmos yet?
I opened one tab on that Chromebook.
I need to know if I assigned it to you guys. I'm not sure if I did or not. Yeah, you're looking for make them balance. You're looking for make them balance.
You're my Chromebook.
Bro, I opened one tab, deleted all the rest, and it was still like.
I'm in.
I'm about to be in because it takes 5 seconds to load to the next screen. I could draw that loading sign for them. Start activity. Bro!
I agree. Open the door.
You get on.
As long as we're not.
Find values for X.
Eli!
I hate your balance.
So go ahead. I don't know why you guys are like waiting. Some of you guys are just staring at the screen. All right, now I know probably at least a couple of you are thinking, wait, Hudson said don't work with two variables, right? Because two variables is tough. But if you get to, sorry, I meant to click on the student version. If you get to pick X and Y, so if you need to make this balance, say like think about your hangers at home in your closet, and if you're gonna like make a little diorama, right, something like for social studies or something arts and craftsy, and you're gonna hang stuff on both sides. If you want it to balance, it's gotta balance. It's gotta be equal.
How do you do this?
Yeah, that's a good question. If only there were directions. Yeah.
I did it first try.
What? Don't you hear it?
How do you flip it?
Never mind.
Bluetooth
Keep going.
I am that smart.
Bro, read the directions.
I just noticed that it was already valid, so I put y as 9, and then 9 divided by 3 equals 3, so x equals 3, and then there's
So if X is 2, what would that then make 1? Or if X is 3, wait, values for X, you're assigning a value for X. Like, what's your favorite number? Less than 10. What's your favorite number less than 10? I know. So make X 1. If X is 1, what would Y need to be? And that would make it try. It tried.
What you notice.
That made this side 5, and that side 1. So they're going to balance it, one side 5 and one side 5. So I think you should probably work with it. Alright? Alright? You look suspicious, man. I'm not paying attention to you.
Yeah, we're just reading.
Their graph shows points whose X and Y values balance the hang. Your point is not correct.
It worked!
I told you. Why you look? Do you notice anything interesting about the points?
I want my money back.
Do you need a Chromebook now? So were you just going to chill there until I realized that you were sitting without a computer? You could also partner up with somebody, dude. We're only in here till... we got 10 more minutes. There's enough time for you to get into it. But you gotta advocate for yourself. If I'm not paying attention, you don't realize you're on the computer. You gotta ask.
I didn't realize.
First try again.
I did it.
That makes sense.
Oh, I'm dumb as hell.
It literally says it on the graph, and you're like, where's 5? I can't find it. I don't know if you
Because
got
not sitting. All you're doing out here is singing, not actually doing math. You're doing both. You can't just be doing one.
Notice and wonder if there's
Discuss what you notice about these points.
Wait, that was easy.
And is there any sort of
Actually,
yeah, it almost looks like a straight line, right? It's kind of cool. And I think that's all we do and move on.
just a hanger. Just hanger me.
Guys, on this slide, to save me from having to answer this 5 more times, you just chat with each other about what you notice and then move on, which it looks like almost all of us have. So what did we notice here? It kind of looks like it's a line. Like if there were more points, kind of looks like it would make a line. Then move on. So keep going. Read the directions.
Are we supposed to add these?
Well, if this is hanger B and this is hanger A, is there a point where it works for both at the same time? Aha. There you go.
Last time I did that, it didn't work.
Maybe so. Sometimes right before you let go, like it shifts a tiny bit.
I told you.
So what's on the right side? 15. So we need to make the left side 15.
No.
Remember, there's 2 X's.
Sister, Hudson, 1 or 2.
Like, just pick a number. 2. Hey guys, quick reminder. When working with a graph, as I move this direction, what am I changing?
X.
X. As I move this, it's literally right here, Grace says. As I move this way, I'm changing Y. And guys, whole numbers are better. So if I was you, I wouldn't make it complicated, like dropping on a bunch of partial numbers. I would try to use whole numbers if possible. So the right side is 15. The left side has 2 X's and a Y. I think I gotta determine X and Y, right? But like, will this work? Will 2 X's and a Y make 15? Nah, I got too much. Wait, what just happened? So let's try something easier. What if we make X like 5? Okay, if we just like, because I like 5, it's good. What would Y need to be? Well, thank you. What would Y need to be? Sweet, so try that. Hey, got it! Now try it 2 more. Whoa, go back. Didn't we need 3? 3 difference. I always liked going to band class because my band director always had coffee brewing. I didn't like coffee when I was a kid. I always smelled coffee. I really enjoyed that. So, is there, here's a fun challenge. Is there a way that we can make Y 0? What would X need to be for the 2 of them to make 15 so that we can make Y 0? So if we make X 7.5, Y is 0. Or if you make Y 15, like I think you were just trying to do, when you make Y 15, X could be 0.
It's all about the lines over.
If you make one 0, the other one just has to
That's
do
so
everything.
cool.
Interesting.
Like both of the lines are the exact same, so that means that they have equal value. So it's gonna be easier for me to see.
Oh, you're on.
Oh, well, I need a select representation.
Mr. Hudson, why does it work?
Why doesn't what work? Ask your partner before you ask me.
I'm ready for more.
So you do this with a group of 4, would not work as well.
Huh? I'm on number 10. It's asking me on one scale with a larger scale, but
You're on number 10. Did you have to like commit that you're ready for more?
yeah.
Is that this makes me nervous. Oh.
Yeah, that's why I'm kind of confused. So I have to
Hey
figure
there.
out what the smaller one's value is, so I can like say that they're even, and then balance that one.
So again, my suggestion would be just pick a number for X, go from there.
I'm gonna try 4. Because it's
How do you do question number 7?
I'm glad that somebody else found that funny. How do you do question number 7? All right. Before we look at 7, let's look at 5.
Huh?
Trap door. What? I didn't make it. Well, we're gonna try to avoid it. I mean, if you really want to know, I lost every game I played last night. I lost Clank by 9 points, and I lost Mysterium just because I couldn't figure out who the murderer was.
That's a big L.
Do you have to just like add on to it?
Yeah. At least
I
you
already
tried.
lost last night. Don't make me feel bad today.
My dad
Fine.
made me
Isa, thank you for volunteering. Does 2-7 work in this top equation?
I do not know because I don't know.
Well, let's work through it. So if x is 2, what's 2 times 2? 4 plus 3?
Oh.
7. Oh, sweet. It works there. What if when you come down to the bottom equation, you guys don't make me pause it. Pay attention real quick. Oh, that's the other thing. I can pause Desmos and they all get mad. So like if I pause it, they just have to pay attention to what's going on up here. What's 2 times 2? 4. Wait, now plus 7. What's 4 plus 7?
9.
11. Oh, that fails. Trapdoors, it works for the top one, doesn't work for the bottom one.
Mr. Hudson, you should read the answer. Yes, sir.
Oh, should I? Well, I'm recording, so I should probably anonymize first. Read the answer for what? The slide 5? I guess I gotta go to teacher mode. Hey, we all agreed. I don't know if you all went back and switched it right now, but that no, because they don't overlap. The one on the right would be not equal. The lines don't meet up, so it wouldn't be even. No, it's or did you like write something funny that you were trying to have me find, or what? I don't know, and I don't want to pretend I.
Read the top one. Read the top one.
What? No, right there.
What?
No, go back down.
Where? What? What?
Go down.
Go up.
Benjamin.
I got it. I got it.
Wayne.
I got it.
Read one.
I got
Because
it.
he said 2. Oh,
Yeah.
that's why you made me pick them.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you do slide 7? I got yelled at. Okay, hold on. Lucy, you're the one who yelled at me about this one. Does anyone have any help for Lucy? Because I don't know either. I just started looking at this. Grace, was that half in hand? No? Anyone got any help for Lucy of like
Whoever's on 10.
how is this different than where was it? This one, right? This one we saw these graphs for the 2 different hangers. These ones intersect, and these ones don't. So on Monday, we will talk more about what in the world this is telling us. Have a great weekend. What? But you want to keep doing more math? I'm sorry, you can't. You're not allowed.
So I'm right.
Well, you're like normally right, aren't you, Emily?
No, but I'm right.
Hey, make sure you turn in your homework by the end of the day. If you didn't turn it in yet, please do it.